I have never opened this many subscription boxes in one video before, so this is going to be a lot of fun. I couldn't even fit them all on the table. There's still a couple on the floor. Make sure you stay till the end so that way I can tell you some ways to get some free stuff with subscription boxes. I'm Bill Sweet and welcome to the Dad Bod. Not everybody knows where to start when trying to step up their wardrobe. Once upon a time I didn't. I turned to subscription boxes to get nice stuff at affordable prices. They order in bulk so that way they can get huge discounts, and then they usually pair them up with things that can easily go together to help you save money and have clothing items that match easily. I've got a lot of boxes to go through, so I don't want to waste any time. Let's jump right into it. I'm going to save the Trunk Club clothing subscription box for last because that one's got a story to go along with it with $600 at stake. Can you imagine having to pay $600 for absolutely nothing? Yeah, so stay tuned. The first one that we have here is the Manbox. It's on Cratejoy for $14 a month, down to $11.90 depending on how many months you sign up for. So this one actually looks like fun. The pictures show things from ratchet sets, knives, playing cards, and even beef jerky, so let's take a look. This one is called the High Roller Manbox, and it's got this little card which tells us everything that's inside of it, and it gives us the retail price for it. The first thing we have is these limited edition playing cards. So these are really nice looking cards. It comes in this sleek looking box, and it says the retail price for these is $13, which is already the price of the box. We have a $14 pair of high roller shades. I wear prescription glasses, so I can't see anything right now. $8 water and dust proof coasters. I get some use out of these. We have an easy to read pair of blackout dice. So it also comes with a pair of shot glasses. These are glass, made in Mexico, but they're not listed on here, so it's kind of hard to tell you the overall value of the box. We have the playing cards for $13, plus the shades $14, that's $27, plus the coasters are $8, which is $35, and then the blackout dice are $5, which is $40, and then whatever these come to. And I think the box, like I said, cost $14. So all in all, it's a pretty good box, got a pretty good value out of them. You're gonna get some fun out of these, especially the playing cards. We're always playing cards in this house. All right, next we have the Stitch Fix box. This box has a $20 styling fee, which gets applied to anything that you purchase from the box. So if you decide to maybe keep a $45 shirt, that $20 gets applied and you only pay the additional $25. If you choose to keep none of the items, then it costs you just that $20 styling fee and you send everything back. So let's take a look inside. We have the package to return anything that we're not going to be keeping. And we have the documentation for the items that are in here. Looks like packages of meat, except for their clothes. And we have shoes. All right, let's try everything on. This first thing is the Julian and Mark Julian Poplin shirt, burgundy colored, 2XL tall, $48. Yeah, it's a nice shirt. These are the Flag and Anthem Nashville straight fit jeans, indigo colored, 42 by 30, $69.50. These jeans are really nice. They fit really well. They're made out of a really stretchy material. Look at this. It's not a bad thing, just pointing it out. This is the #1 Algo Heathered Knit Blazer, blue. It's a 2XL, $129. It's a fairly nice blazer for an unstructured blazer, meaning it doesn't have a lining inside of it. It fits very well on the shoulders and around the torso, but these sleeves need a little bit more work. I would say I need to add about 2.5 inches to each of the sleeves, but there's only about 1.5 inches worth of fabric that I can use to add to the sleeve size. These are the Red Ale by Ellsbury Adley Straight Fit Shire Espresso, size 42 by 30 pants. These are $69.95. I would say these fit very nice. I don't have any issues with them. And lastly, we have the A-Frame Rabravac Perforated Derby Gray Shoes. These are size 12 and $80. So these shoes are pretty nice, but they're really slippery walking on the carpeted floor. They fit great, and especially for my wide feet, no issues. Alright, so yeah, between the shoes, the pants, the shirt, got some really nice things from Stitch Fix this month. What I have to do now is to decide what I'm going to keep and let them know on their website. Anything I'm going to keep, I'm going to end up getting charged for, minus that $20 styling fee. And then anything that I'm going to send back, I just put in that bag, put it in the mail, and it's good to go. Alright, this one here is the monthly gentleman's box. This was a Christmas present from my lovely fiance, soon-to-be wife. Only a few more days. So for $35 a month, you get 4 to 6 men's fashion accessories. I've loved nearly everything that I've received from this box. The tie bars could be a little bit bigger, but everything else has been really nice. So let's see what they sent us. Alright, so that's kind of cool. It gives you a little QR code to take a picture of, to scan, so that way you can find out the information. Previously, they would insert a little piece of paper like this that told you everything. So this is the August box, and it says, we're getting ready for the beach vacation life. Now, I'm getting ready for winter. So right here we have from the Lord of Ties, a coral and floral tie. It's, you know, pink coral colored, and it's got the flower images on it. From Noble Cavalier, we have a polka dot pocket square. We actually have multiple colors that we can choose from with this one based upon how we fold it, so that's pretty cool. You can go with white, you can go with pink, you can go with blue. Also from Noble Cavalier, we have coral colored socks. And, if I can get this open, we have a little wallet from Noble Cavalier. Looks like there's a pocket on the inside for you to put your cash, and then 4 little pockets for you to put cards. That is this month's Gentleman Box. Next, we have Threadbeast. These guys have several plans that you can choose from. I'm signed up for the Essential plan, which is 4 to 5 items per month at $85. I've received a few items that didn't fit properly, but they've been pretty good at taking care of those for me by putting replacement items in my next box. So I think this box is going to have the 2 extra items to make up for the 2 items in last month's box that didn't fit. This box is a little bit more urban wear clothing, but sometimes I like to pair it with my nicer clothing, and it basically looks like how actors from Hollywood dress. So let's get it open. Similar to last month, we have a pair of crisp underwear, 2XL. And again, like last month, we have a pair of Champion socks. We have a Stay Gold t-shirt, a pair of Puma socks. I guess we should be glad they're not Puma pants. A Benny Gold t-shirt, a Grizzly grip tape shirt. Actually, I'm not really sure if these are t-shirts or long sleeve shirts, but we'll find out in just a second. A Cutter and Buck shirt. Now these are usually pretty good. And a duffel bag. All right, so with the exception of the duffel bag, I'm going to try the clothes on so you can see. Can't really try on a duffel bag. This is the Cutter and Buck polo shirt. Looks pretty nice tucked in. The sleeves are a little bit long, but it's really meant to be worn untucked. As I said, it is urban wear. But this will pair nicely with a blue or black blazer. Just to clarify, I also don't plan on trying on the socks or the underwear on this video. Let's just assume that they fit fine. I don't think that's anything that y'all need to see. Here it is with a navy blazer. Looks pretty good. Just ignore the fact that I'm wearing a white t-shirt under it. I have not washed these clothes yet, so I really don't want to be wearing them like right on my skin if I can help it. Because of the logo placement on this shirt, it's pretty much just going to look like a generic white t-shirt under any kind of a blazer or a vest. But that's not going to stop me from wearing it. And the same goes for this one. Wearing it under a vest or a blazer, you're really not going to see any of the logos, but it'll still do good as a workout shirt or just a lounging around the house shirt. Like in situations with the bear shirt, seeing a little bit of the logo actually makes the outfit pop. Okay, I lied. I am going to try wearing the duffel bag. Okay, yeah, so the Grizzly t-shirt, the black t-shirt, and the bag, absolutely my favorite things from that box this month. Next, we have the GQ Quarterly Best Stuff Box. I've been told that this box, this quarter, isn't as good as previous quarters, that they may have missed the ball on this one. Hopefully the rumors are wrong, but this box is $50 per quarter, and it's from GQ. All right, first thing I see is a voucher for a free Knickerbocker long sleeve t-shirt. I always feel weird saying a long sleeve t-shirt. To me, t-shirt just means short sleeve. But yes, it's a long sleeve t-shirt and it's valued at $105. A voucher for a free bag of coffee from Tradebox. This one's valued at $15 to $22. An HBO Max voucher, but I've already got HBO Max. We have Ralph's Club Cologne from Ralph Lauren. Oh, it's so cute. A $9 light scrub total body bar of soap. And it says Beast. Oribe Flash Form Finishing Spray. This is for your hair. I don't have a whole lot of hair, but this still will help hold it in place without feeling like it's being weighed down. Shine Clarifying Scalp Scrub. Geologic Face Wash. Oh, I hate this one. I don't know how to say it. It's like Maapilum Face Moisturizer. So it's Maapilum. I don't hate it because of what it is. I just hate the name of it. Lumify Redness Reliever Eye Drops. I don't really have a need for this. Liquid IV. So this is 3 packs of powder that you can put in water and it helps give you more hydration out of the water. And then lastly, some high quality face masks. Always good for family time. And next we have the Meno box, which is actually a bag. And this one is $60 per month and they send 2 to 3 clothing pieces. And this is one that you actually keep everything that's in there. It's not one where you have to purchase it separately. They had a promotion when I signed up for this one, so I got a few extra items. I see a Melrose Place shirt. A Melrose Place shirt. Pair of pants that kind of close up at the bottom like a sack of potatoes. We'll try it on. New Republic socks, which will go good with the New Republic shoes. And then lastly, a pair of 5'4" Los Angeles pants. So let's get these on. This is the Melrose Place Libre Steel Fashion Tees, size 2XL. These are the 5'4" Ferdy Relaxed Fit Jeans, heavy wash, size 42. As you can see, these are a little bit long on me. I was kind of surprised when the t-shirt fit right off the first box. I've never had a subscription box where everything fit right out in the door. So I guess, I still don't because these pants are a little bit big, but they're nice. One thing that I don't quite like about them is the fact that they don't have a zipper, they have multiple buttons. If I've got to pee, I just want to pee. I don't want to have to undo buttons. It says that they sent a 2XL, but they actually sent a size small. These are Grand Running Club Asphalt Pants, Steel Pants Activewear, size XXL. It's got a little tie off in the front, but even tied at the maximum amount, these things are still way too big on me. And these are the New Republic Bowery Canvas sneakers, size 12. Yeah, they fit pretty nice. It has a nice little memory foam cushion in the bottom, so these are pretty comfortable. The pants were a little bit big on that one and the shirt was a little bit small, but like I said, they sent me a few extra items and it was only $60, so the shoes alone made up for that. The shirt just added to that, the socks added to that, so I definitely got my money's worth out of that box. But I do need to email them just to let them know the issues that I had with the sizing on some stuff. That way we don't have the same issue going forward. All right, now the next one is also from Great Joy. It's the Spiffster box coming in at $13.35 per month. So they have a few options. For this one, I chose the original Thai subscription. Comes with a pecan pie recipe. Speaking of that, let me know in the comments whether you say pecan or pecan. I'm curious to see what everybody else says, and let me know where you are if you want to. You don't have to, but I know that different regions of the country say it differently. I say pecan most of the time. Sometimes I say pecan, but most of the time it's pecan. This is a very nice tie, and one of the reasons why I went with them is because they have extra long ties, and with me being 6'3" basically, anybody over 6 foot tall really should be wearing extra long ties. Otherwise you got to do that weird thing where the back end of the tie is like way up here and the bottom is in the right spot, and it's just like, oh, okay, well, let me just tuck it in right here so that way nobody can see. I mean, that works, but it works a lot better if you get a proper size tie. And Scentbird. All right, so this one is Javane Rhino by Sanctuary. These woodsy cream blend mixes and notes of sandalwood, sage, and tonka bean with fresh figs and crisp bergamot as a nod to the environment and the Javan Rhino calls home in the, I'm gonna mess this one up, Ujung Kulon National Park. So with this, they just send you the refills. And when you first sign up, they give you the case, and you just take this one out, pop this one in, and you're good to go. Yeah, this one is really nice. It's got a nice woody scent to it, so it's absolutely an evening or a colder weather. We're heading into colder weather, so this is going to work perfectly this winter. And the Nordstrom Trunk Club. This one also has a styling fee that's applied to the items that you purchase. For this one, the box was rather large for the items that they had inside, and I soon found out why. There were some items missing. I had a $400 pair of shoes missing, a $100 belt, and a shirt that was like $85, $90. I mean, how am I going to prove that I didn't just take the items out and claim that they are missing? It's not in my budget to spend $600 on absolutely nothing. And they only give you a few days to try everything on and send it back, so I pre-recorded this portion to include that video. However, because I was a little bit stressed out, I forgot to turn my lights on when I did the unboxing, so it was rather dark, but I do have the footage of me actually trying on the clothing that I'm going to use here. This is the Club Monaco striped knit long sleeve button up shirt. This one's a 2XL. I might need to go up to a 3XL for this one. It's a little bit short. It doesn't have much to tuck in, and the sleeves are a little bit short on me. And it's a little bit snug. It's a little snug in the sleeves. These are the Mavi jeans, the Zach straight leg jeans for $118. It's kind of a weird material. It's not really denim, it's more stretchy. And then lastly, we have the Zenarobi Flintlock long line t-shirt, 2XL. Luckily, in the end, they had me just take pictures of all of the excess tape that was on the box, which looks like it was opened at some point during the shipping and then taped back closed. And they ended up not charging me for the missing items, which, like I said, $600. I mean, I was really nervous. So I got 4 kids at home, and like I said, I don't have $600 to just throw away on absolutely nothing. Thank you for sticking with me through this unboxing. It was a lot of fun being able to show you all the stuff that comes in all these boxes. In case you missed last month's, here's a link to that one, and I'll see you there.